So now we going to understand about the twisted pair cable. So a twisted pair cable is the oldest and simplest and the most common type of conducted media. So I think you able to see this figure. Into this figure you seeing the twisted pair cable. This is twisted means two wire are overlapped together, and this is just like a simple wire cable. So this is called our twisted pair cable, and it is very simplest and oldest cable. So now understand it. So each wire is 1 millimeter thick. So this wire is only 1 millimeter thick. Out of these two wires, only one carries the actual signal while the other is used for ground reference. The wires so twisted are helpful in avoiding interference from the nearby similar pairs, which is known as a crosstalk. Twisted pair can be specified as the category 1 to 5, means it is come into the cat 1, cat 2, cat 3, cat 5, and categories of 6 twisted pair can support data transmission as high as 200 Mbps for 100 meter, while the category 7 twisted pair can support still higher data rates. So only you note down the definition. A twisted pair cable is the oldest, simplest and most common type of conducted media. Clear? Only you will note down the definition and also draw the figure. And after this definition, you will also note down the twisted pair comes into two categories. It have two categories, STP and UTP. So first STP is shielded twisted pair and second is UTP, that is unshielded twisted pair. You no need to note its definition, only you note down the categories. It have two varieties, STP and UTP. The full form of STP is shielded twisted pair and UTP is unshielded twisted pair. Okay, so now you note down the advantages of twisted pair cable. It have some advantages. What these advantages? So now understand. It is simple to use. So this cable is very simple. So it is easy to use. It is inexpensive and does not require skilled personnel. Clear? So it is very inexpensive means it is very cheap and it is very inexpensive cable. Clear? And it is less susceptible to electrical interference. Okay, you only note down this. It is less susceptible to electrical interference. Next, you note these media can be used for both analog and digital transmission. So only you note down this first line only. These media can be used for both analog and digital transmission. Clear? So this advantage only you note down. One, it is simple to use. Second, it is inexpensive and does not require skilled personnel. And it is less susceptible to electrical interference. And next, these media can be used for both analog and digital data transmission. Clear? And last, if a portion of twisted pair cable is damaged, the entire network is not shut. So our network will be not shut down if some damage are into the cable. So our network will be not fail. And its disadvantage. So now next is disadvantages of twisted pair cable. So write beside heading disadvantages of twisted pair cable. So what is its disadvantages? Actually, some disadvantages are it is because of high attenuations. What is the attenuation? Actually, this is the interference when the signal are transmitted one device to another. So some errors may be occurs cause of voice and any other thing. So that is called the attenuation. So it is because of high attenuation. So signal errors may be comes when our data is transmitted in a long distance. So this is a cause of a disadvantages of our twisted pair cable. And you also understand the twisted pair cable have a low bandwidth. So it is a low bandwidth. So we are not able to transmit our signal of broadband. Clear? So it is not possible into the twisted pair cable. Broadband connection is not, it is able to transmit. Clear? So now note down some disadvantages. So STP is more difficult to connect the terminating block, and being the thick in size, it is likely break easily, and it support 19,200 bps up to 50 feet. Clear? So these are the some disadvantages of twisted pair cable.